life was good. Until I overheard my humans talking about budget cuts. Okay, time for a new plan. Every great business starts with a problem. All these have been sitting here for a long time. If nobody is using it, it should go to someone who appreciates it. Like my customers. Wait till you see my dad's Rolex Bottega and Chanel bags my mom has. My customers deserve luxury, and snacks deserve funding. Retail price? Ridiculous. Dexter price? Much better. See you soon at my black market.